Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by mapping the JEE Advanced Physics syllabus and set a realistic timeline of 6 to 9 months to cover and revise every topic. Plan 4 to 6 focus study hours daily, reserving weekends for extended problem sessions, and 1 full concept review each week. Use NCERT to build fundamentals, then pick 1 standard reference per topic for depth. Avoid juggling multiple advanced books simultaneously. Allocate the final 6 weeks to intensive revision and targeted week topic practice, listing high-weight chapters first and scheduling daily micro-revisions. Master core concepts first, laws, derivations, and physical reasoning, then apply them to diverse problem types including conceptual, numerical, and multi-concept integrative questions. Solve 800 to 1, 200 quality problems overall, mixing previous JEE advanced papers, chapter tests, and selective problems from higher difficulty sources. Use timed problem sets with increasing difficulty and maintain an error log that records mistake type, root cause, and corrective action. Resolve logged problems after 2. Simulate exam conditions regularly. Practice 2 papers of 3 hours each and follow the same seating, breaks, and answer sheet format to build stamina and time management. Take 12 to 15 full mocks spread across the last 3 months, analyze every test for time allocation and conceptual gaps, and run daily drills to reduce silly errors by at least 50%. Prioritize high-yield topics in the final stage. Schedule micro-revisions for formulas and tricks, and complete 4 timed full syllabus revisions before the exam for peak confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.